everybody, and welcome back to another demo with the VermontPyroBoys. Today we are going to be shooting raining cats and dogs from Happy Family Fireworks. It is a 200-gram cake with, how many shots do we have here? 12 shots. And it's a nice cylindrical cake. It looks pretty good. If you take off the top, you got all 12 shots going around a concrete plug in the bottom, and look how high those shells come up. That is definitely 3/4 of the way. So we'll see how it goes. Let's take a look out back at raining cats and dogs.
I could hardly hear myself when I was yelling.